Need to build a moody pirate bay or bustling dockside village? With over 50 modular assets, this pack drops you right into the heart of a stylized, sea-worn world, ready to be explored, built and brought to life. Hey everyone, Luke here from 3D Tutor. Today I'm excited to unveil the 3D Tutor Pirate Bay Modular Pack, a collection of 50 free handcrafted stylized assets perfect for building ports, docks and rugged coast scenes. Whether you're aiming for cinematic pirate harbor or a quaint fishing outpost, this modular set makes it easy to piece together detailed, character-rich environments. Each model comes with clean topology, carefully crafted meshes and stylized PBR 2048 textures that pop beautifully in both real-time and rendered settings. So let's talk the setup. The standard version includes everything you need to start building right away: a ready-to-use Blender project, a fully assembled Unreal Engine 5 asset scene, FBX and GLB file exports with PNG texture files. And if you want to set things up, the deluxe version takes it further with it. A complete Blender lighting setup to showcase your dockside towns with cinematic flair. We also include our powerful 3D Tutor Compositor add-on, BlendCraft, for quick post-processing magic, and an additional meadow geometry node, perfect for bringing life to your bayside scenes. This pack was created by Oguzhan as part of our Starving Artist campaign, a 3D Tutor initiative that empowers indie artists by giving them 50% of the revenue and fully marketing support. You might remember Oguzhan from his previous hit, the post-apocalyptic world hideout modular pack, which brought a desolate environment to life with rugged detail. With this new Pirate Bay pack, Oguzhan channels the same care into weathered timbers, fishnets, crates, barrels, cannons, and even treasure chests, bringing your coastal worlds to life. Our last campaign featured the Sci-Fi Station Modular Kit by Dallas, another must-see collection if you're working on futuristic interiors. By grabbing this pack, you're not only just getting a rich modular environment, you're directly supporting an artist's career and helping keep the stylized 3D ecosystem thriving. And if you end up using this pack in your own scene, we would love to see it. Join the 3D Tutor Discord. Within it, we recently hit over 1,000 artists and developers who share their work in progress, get feedback, and grow together. Our team, including myself, Rowan, Neil, and more, are active and always excited to meet new creators. Plus, we run regular giveaways for geometry nodes and packs you will not want to miss. So thank you so much for supporting Oguzhan and the Starving Artist campaign. Until next time, happy modeling everyone!